Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
2.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89?
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
Three.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
4.
Where can we buy food for them?
At the zoo store.
Where's that?
Next to the cafe.
Next to the cafe? Okay. I'd like to go and do that.
5.
Can we eat at the zoo?
You've got your lunch with you, I think.
Yes, my mom gave it to me.
Well, you can eat that at the zoo, and then in the evening on the train, we can buy burgers and lemonade.
Burgers and lemonade? Great! My favorites.